In this tutorial, we'll explore 3 simple and efficient ways to upload files and folders to your data room. The first method is manual upload. Navigate to the folder where you want to upload your file, click the 3 dots next to it, and select Upload. Upload files and folders. You can drag and drop your documents into this area, or choose to upload either files or a folder. For this example, we'll use Select Folder. Then choose the folder you want to upload. You'll see a list of all the files that will be uploaded. Choose the appropriate permissions, then click Upload to confirm. Your folder will now appear in the data room with all documents inside. The second option is even faster. Simply drag and drop your documents from your local folder directly into the desired location in the data room index. Then, just choose the permissions you want and click Upload to confirm. All files will be available immediately. For the most convenient option, use the inbox feature. Users with create-only permissions or higher can email attachments straight to the data room. Click the email address in your inbox to copy it to your clipboard. In your email provider, paste the address and attach the files you want to upload. You can also add this email address to your contacts for easier access. Then simply send the email. Users with viewing rights will see that uploaded documents are in the inbox section and can now be moved to the right index point. For more help, visit our Help Center.